Okay, so here's our third problem we're looking at today. It's problem 14 from the 2008 AMC 10B. It says triangle AOB has O at 0, 0, B at 5, 0, in addition, and A in the first quadrant. In addition, angle ABO is 90 degrees, and angle AOB is 30 degrees. Suppose that the segment OA is rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise about O. What are the coordinates of the image of A? Okay, so what's going to happen here?
Well, first to find the image of A, we have to find out where A is.
Okay.
So we have the information that this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle.
All right.
So this is a 5. And 5 over root 3. And this is 10 over root 3.
Okay.
So OA is going to look something like this. We can call this A2. This is going to be 60.
Okay.
So if we rotate the entire triangle, it's going to be rotated 90 degrees, so it's going to still keep, this point is 5 over root 3. 5?
Mm-hmm.
So this A2 is gonna still have 5. So it's gonna be at the same height since you have a right angle. But then how do you find out the rest of it? Like, you have to find out how far over this is. But wait, I did something wrong. This is 5 over root 3. You go over 5, not up 5. This is.
Okay.
So, I think this is the same triangle, just rotated,
All right.
so that the 5 is pointing up. And then you'll be heading 5 over root 3 over.
Okay.
Which would give you, they want the coordinates?
Yeah.
So 5 root 3 over 3, comma 5.
That's actually a choice.
But is that the right choice?
What do you think? Is this point here the point 5 root 3 over 3, comma 5?
Well, I kind of thought it was the same distance up. Because you're rotating the segment, if you look at this like the radius of a circle,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to rotate it and it's going to be at the same height.
Okay, what makes you think that?
Because like in a circle, if you take a 90-degree chunk,
Uh-huh.
these would be the same height if you were saying the axes went like that. But I guess they don't
Well,
have to be the same height.
I'm just not sure about that, because if I take this point here and rotate it 90 degrees, it's now up here. You know?
So
or if I take this point on the axis here and rotate it 90 degrees, it's now up here. So
it
its
doesn't
height
have
can
to be
change.
the same height. So I think this is the right answer.
Okay, so my question to you though, forget about whether the height is the same, is this point 5 root 3 over 3 comma 5.
So I think it is because these are both 30, 60, 90 triangles,
Okay.
but I'm just not sure. Because yeah, they're definitely the same because this is still 10 root 3 over 30.
Okay, so that's a great observation.
And then this makes this has to be 5 then.
All right.
And this would have to be 5 root 3 over 3.
Okay.
So, oh, but it's negative 5 root 3 over 3 because you're going this way.
Ah. Okay, so could this point be 5 root 3 over 3 comma 5?
No.
Why not?
Because it's in the third quadrant. Well, it's not in the first quadrant,
Right.
and it's going to be a negative x.
Yeah, the x value's got to be negative. Okay, so what do you think the answer is?
So I think it's negative 5 root 3 over 3, 5.
Yeah, and that's the choice. Okay, so we can eliminate 5 root 3 over 3 comma 5 because that would point, whatever 5 root 3 over 3 is, be over here somewhere. Positive x, positive y. This has a negative x, positive y. So there you go. All right, good job working through that.